So hello everyone. So finally OpenAI released the official ChatGPT app on iOS, and let's just do a quick overview how to use it and so on. So first, to find it, you just need to type this in the search ChatGPT OpenAI official, because there are so many other apps here, AI chatbots, which are just using API bar, not official ones. Then you just go to the app and then just double check that it has this white logo and the developer is OpenAI. Of course, later when this app is getting more traction, you will see that it's official app by the number of reviews and all of that. So yeah, why you need to use official app? First, no ads, and you don't need to pay that there are no ads, because that's how it works. Then, of course, it syncs your history across devices. So if you use the app on the web, you will have the history here. And of course, you have the priority access to all the latest models from OpenAI, newest model improvements from OpenAI. Then I just tried it out. It's actually very well built. It has great design, instant answers, tailored advice, creative inspiration, professional input, all of these things. So just open it up, and basically here is the app, how it looks like. To log in, you just need to use the same details you used with Google or Microsoft. Here you can also sign up using Apple, but just use the same account you used on the web to save the history. And then you can just write to create a new chat. Also, the nice little hack is that you can swipe to the right, and that's the fastest way to create a new chat in this app. Also, you can create a new chat if you tap on three dots and then you just tap create a new chat. And then so yeah, whatever, then you can just start writing any queries, and then you just see the response. So you can see here, this app is actually faster than web. So I'm not using paid subscription. It's not ChatGPT Plus, but it's almost instant and seems it's much faster. So that's already cool thing. Then they also have this audio input. So just in the bottom right, you can just tap on the audio, start talking, and then just tap anywhere to stop recording, and then you will see this message. So let's just try it out. Write a poem about a tree. So something like that, for example, and then you can just add it easily. Of course, I'm just adding some dubious prompts here, but yeah, and then you can just see that it's like almost instant. It's much faster than on the web. It's pretty cool. So yeah, you can see then how it works, and then yeah, that's basically that. Then in top right, you can just rename chat. There you have it. You can also delete chat if you want, and then yeah, just delete the chat. Then you can see your history again. If you signed in with the same account as on the web, you will see the history synced, and then you can delete chats from here. Yeah, and then you can create a new chat from here as well. Then there are settings. There is your email. By the way, it's not possible to change email in ChatGPT app, neither on the web, neither in the iOS app. Yeah, you just need to create a new account. Then there is subscription. You can upgrade to the ChatGPT Plus here from the app, and it's the same price as you have on the web. So it's like $20 per month. What you get, so you get priority access to GPT-4 and your latest beta features. You'll be able to use ChatGPT even when demand is high, and then ultra fast. So here, I don't know if a free version is using ChatGPT-4 or not, but yeah, that's what you have here. Enjoy even faster response speeds, and then it will be even faster. However, as you see, the mobile app is already quite fast here. Then there is data controls. You can delete your account from here. Your account is non-recoverable, and you won't be able to restore it or reuse the same email or phone number for new account. And then also, if you're using the same email for ChatGPT API, be careful, because then it will also cancel that access. Then you can also export your data from here, which is pretty cool. And yeah, haptic feedback, you can enable or disable some feedback to them. You can sign out in the bottom. Then there is very handy help center, and they just released specifically articles about iOS app, which is pretty cool. So you can just read here. So some other questions. So you need to use iOS 16 or newer, iPhone 8 or newer. It's not available on iPhone 7 or iOS 14. Android, it's not available yet on Android. There is no timeline which they provide, but it should be coming soon. Then to cancel iOS subscription for ChatGPT, you need to follow the same process as with any other app. Like just go to settings, select subscriptions, and just tap cancel subscription. So yeah, they just releasing this app in US App Store, United States App Store, so it's not yet available. It's not yet available for all the countries. Should be available soon. So there, at the moment, there are two ways to subscribe to this app. Either if you already subscribed on chatopenai.com, that's one, or via iOS app. If you have downloaded the iOS app from the App Store, but find the subscribe button grayed out, light purple, this indicates that Apple is still in the process of activating the subscription feature. So yeah, so this can happen for new ChatGPT subscribers. So that's that. So this is the official app icon. So just this is for you to know that this is the official app, because there are so many third-party apps. So here you can just see some things like deleting your conversation, deleting your history, exporting your data, haptic feedback, checking out your data. Can you change your email? Yes, I said it's not possible to change your email right now. And then you can just access subscription on another Apple device. Yep, just log in with the same account. So yeah, that's basically that. The app feels really great. It's very minimalistic, easy to use. There are no annoying ads. There are no annoying, like, I don't know, some additional things you don't need. Just very clear interface. So definitely the way the app to try out, and you don't need to pay like $30 per year just to access this app, because before this original app was released, there were like dozens of other ChatGPT apps, and they were just using OpenAI API, but then you still need to upgrade in those apps, because some people just like to use apps on the mobile phone. It's just much more convenient compared to using mobile Chrome browser or mobile Safari. And for that you needed to pay like $30 or something. So now you can just basically delete majority of those apps and stick to this one. Maybe you still like some of those, but anyhow, yeah. So let's see if you have any other questions or any other suggestions, what I didn't answer in this quick overview. I will be happy to answer in my comments, and see you in the next videos.